Well, our main concerns or vision is to build the tool that will solve data migration within the OutSystems environment. So this is our goal, our vision. And we also want to help the community to overcome this issue and to break free of this data locking issue, okay? So my main concerns and what I try to transmit to the team is that the code must be really performant, okay? When you're talking about moving data that is like hundreds of thousands of records or gigabytes of information, well, if your algorithms are not very fast and very performant, what will happen is that you'll have migrations that take about 10 hours, 24 hours. So to leave a process running this so long time is an invite for chaos or for disaster, okay? Somewhere it will fail. It will be a record that's not compliant in the source that failed. It will be a connection that failed. It will be a solar flare that destroyed something. Well, you never know, but somewhere it will appear when you have process running this long. So you need to make sure that the code is as performant as possible so that the migration is as fast as possible, okay?